Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Tech Talks. We try to give all kind of trending news on cryptocurrency and other news related to technology. So in this video, we will talk about the future of crypto in India. And do you think is Bitcoin the new gold of Indians? Before moving into the video, a sub to the channel will be your greatest investment ever, and that's too for free. You will be surprised to know that there is a massive increase of 900% in crypto trading value in India. It seems like one of the oldest prophecies of digital currency, which says Bitcoin is the new digital gold, might be coming in the years to come. The most surprising thing about Indians in crypto is that in the past 12 months, ever since Supreme Court of India lifted RBI's ban on crypto trading, investment in crypto asset has gone up from $200 million to $40 billion, a massive 200x increase in the investment value. And the daily crypto trading value of India has gone up by 900%, and you can verify that from the Chainalyst website, one of the world's largest crypto analysis software provider. In this video, we will answer 3 most important questions about India's crypto mania, which are: why is there a surge or increase in crypto demand in India? What is the future of crypto trading in India? And has Bitcoin defeated the demand of gold among Indians? But before moving into the video, let me remind you that this is not a financial advice. Any investment done by you is totally done at your own risk. So always invest wisely and also know every little thing about the market before investing. So let's answer the first question. Why is there a surge or increase in the crypto demand in India? To answer this question, we have to look at the most important thing, the average age of Indian population, and that's around 29 years old. And according to demography, India has more than 50% of its population below the age of 25 and more than 65% below the age of 35. So now you can imagine, amidst the ambiguity surrounding cryptocurrencies regulation, the considerable jump demonstrates the shift in thinking among the Indian youngster investors. More than 15 million Indians are now trading in some forms of cryptocurrency, in comparison to UK's 2.3 million and US's 23 million. And most importantly, nearly 60% of all crypto investors are aged between 18 to 30. Now comes the second most important question, and that is, what is the future of crypto trading in India? Look, innovations in crypto world based on blockchain technology, from fintech to education, are happening at a net-breaking speed. So, taking that in consideration, as the world moves towards the more decentralized open source future, India cannot be oblivious to these changes. Keeping in mind the importance of cryptocurrency and its underlying technology, the Government of India has undergone several meetings and set up regulatory boards so that they can come up with regulations that are more enabling than stifling. It is true that with stable regulations in place, along with the growing financial inclusion and awareness, the future of crypto trading in India will scale high, which was never imagined before. The present spike in trading is just the tip of the iceberg, like the famous Indian dialogue, "Picture to abhi baki hai boss." With that said, now comes the third and final question, and maybe an important question for most Indians, which is, has Bitcoin defeated the demand of gold among Indians? To understand this, you have to understand the relation between Indians and gold or any precious metal. Historically, Indians are gold obsessed, but for a right reason. Households in India own approximately 25,000 tons of precious metal. To Indians, gold was not only a sign of good luck, but also an investment for the future of their child. However, Studies from the World Gold Council indicate that the younger generation is discontinued from gold. This although don't mean that they are not buying gold. They are buying gold bonds instead of the material gold as an investment. But the ease of acquiring, short-term returns, and technological backing makes Bitcoin more attractive for millennials. Moreover, as a financial asset, Bitcoin has seen a massive rise in price, which gold at the best managed to beat the inflation in the last year. However, it is too early to claim victory. Gold has something that Bitcoin may not or won't have for a long time. That is the price stability and millennia of history withstanding traumatic financial crises. So keeping the fingers crossed and thinking positive about crypto, let us end this video here. We will meet again in the next video with some new trending news. Till then, do like and share the video and subscribe to the channel to motivate us.